electrician in here this morning.
What electrician? I did not order an electrician.
I did. The flickers on the fluorescent lights are flickering. I'm really sorry, sir.
This is terrible, Phil. I would really like to go.
I'll go now.
I would really like to go.
Only minute, please.
I would like to be extremely